Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you are well. My name is Gulshan. Today we will discuss about a number system. What is a number system? What the type of number system and how many type of number system? So let's start. What is a number system? So number system is a method of system used to represent any express a number. Number system is a method or system to use to represent any number, how to written, how to write, and how to represent in any symbol. So it is defined how number are written and what a symbol are used to represent them. How to represent any number and how to write any number. This is called number system. Every number system has two types. Every number system has 2 points. Number one is base. Every number system is one is base. Base is called the total number of digits is its uses, or total number of digits is called base. And digits is a symbolic representation in any system is called digits. Digits is 0 to 9. And some commonly number system are used in general life or worldwide used in some commonly number system. Like one is decimal number system. Decimal number system is the most widely used in the world. Decimal number system is a total number of digits is 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is called decimal number system. Generally, India mostly uses decimal number system. And next one is binary decimal system. Binary decimal system is a total digit of number is 2, 0, and 1. Binary decimal system are used in computer mechanism or IC chips, integrated circuit chips. It's generally used in computing programs or used. Next one is octal decimal system, octal number system. Octal number system is a total number of system where total numbers are 8, 0 to 7. Octal number system, total digits is 8. This is called octal number system. Next one is hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system means total number of digits is 16. One Two types of number in hexadecimal system. Number one is digit and number two is alphabetical. So hexadecimal number system is 0 to 9 is a digit value and and A to F is an alphabetical value. Total number count is a hexadecimal number is total 16 numbers. Then next let's number system start, we can study of classification of number. How to classify in a number system. So classification of number mainly three type of classification of number. Number one is real number, and number two is imaginary number, and number three is mixed number. Real number and imaginary number combination is called mixed number. So what is a real number and what is a imaginary number and mixed number? So first is real number. A real number is any number that can be represented on the number line. Any number line you can represent any number. So you can call real number. Real number is any number that can be represented on a number line. Like number line is number line, you can midpoint is 0 and left side is negative number and right side is positive number. So negative integers and positive integers and 0. Real number is a combination of negative integers, positive integers and neutral 0 integers. So you can say minus 1 to minus infinite, 0 and plus 1 to plus infinite is called real number. Next is an imaginary number. What is an imaginary number? So imaginary number is a multiple of iota. A number that can be written as a multiple of iota, where iota is equal to root minus 1 is called the imaginary number. Any imaginary number, any imaginary number like iota is a multiple of iota. Any real number is multiplied as iota is called imaginary number. Next, iota. Examples of imaginary number iota. Iota is square. Iota is square value is equal to root minus 1. Iota is iota where iota is equal to root minus 1 and iota square value is equal to minus 1. And 2 plus iota, 1 plus iota in this type of number is called mixed number or imaginary number. So note any number, any imaginary number and its conjugate, like 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1 is a number, imaginary number, and 2 minus 1 is a conjugate number. And in this product, imaginary number and its conjugate product are always called real number. Always we can take real number. Next, real number. Real number can be divided into two parts. Number one, integers. Number two, decimal. Integers are positive, negative, and zero. Integers minus infinite to plus infinite. Minus 1 to minus infinite. 0 plus 1 to minus infinite. And decimal 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 0.7, 0.6. Two integers between value of two numbers is called decimal. So integers are positive integers and negative integers. Positive integers like 1, 2, 3 to infinite, and negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 to infinite, minus infinite. And 0, 0 is called never positive, never negative. 0 is a neutral real number. So real number is a combination of positive integer, negative integer, and 0. Next, decimal system. Decimal decimal system decimal number is a two types. Decimal are two types. Number one, terminating decimal, and other one is non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal, terminating decimal is called, you can terminate the decimal, and non-terminating decimal you cannot be terminate the decimal. Like example, 0.5, 0.1, 0.75. This is a terminating decimal. Why? Because 0.5 divided by 10 divided by 0 or 1 0. So you can take 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10. This is a rational number. 0.75 you can write down the 0.75 is equal to 75 divided by 100. So you can write 3 by 4. So terminating decimal is always rational number. Terminating decimal are always represented by p by q form if this is called rational number. So all terminating decimal is called rational number. Other one is other one is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal are two types. Number one, repeating non-terminating decimal. Repeating non-terminating decimal means digits continuously repeat in same times like infinite times. Like next, non-repeating non-terminating decimal. Other one is non-repeating non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal are two types. Number one, repeating non-terminating decimal, and other one is non-repeating non-terminating decimal. Repeating non-terminating decimal means number are continuously repeat infinite times but not be terminate in decimal. Non-repeating non-terminating decimal are not repeating any number and non-terminating the decimal. So example number one, 0.33333 infinite times, 0.66666 and 0.11111 infinite times, and 0.151515, 0.123123. This is repeating non-terminating decimal. Non-repeating non-terminating decimal is called non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating means number not repeat again and again and again. Like non-perfect square. Non-perfect square pi value is always non-perfect square is always non-repeating, non-terminating decimal. Like value of pi, value of root 2, value of root 3, value of root 7, value of root 8, value of root 11. So thank you guys.